Hey everyone! Today I am going to show you how to activate and start using Microsoft Copilot across your everyday Office apps. First, you need to make sure you actually have the right plan. Head over to the Microsoft subscription page and grab the Copilot add-on, which currently runs about $20 a month. Once your subscription is active, simply open up any Office app on your computer, head to your Accounts page, and click on Update License to fully activate the AI on your system. Now, let's look at how to actually use it, starting with Word. Just go to the Home tab and click on the new Copilot button right in the main ribbon. This opens up your assistant, which can instantly help you generate new text, rewrite messy paragraphs, or draft entire proposals from scratch so you don't have to stare at a blank page. Over in Excel, the setup is exactly the same. Click the Copilot button on the Home tab to open the side panel. However, there is one crucial rule you must follow here. Your data actually needs to be formatted as a table before Copilot can process it. Once you convert your data into a table, the AI can automatically analyze trends, generate charts, and uncover hidden insights in your spreadsheets in just a few seconds. Finally, in PowerPoint, you can use Copilot to instantly build out full slide decks. It can even pull relevant content directly from your previously created Word documents, ensuring your presentations look great and are packed with the right information without you having to manually copy and paste everything. If this quick tutorial helped you upgrade your workflow today, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more Microsoft 365 tips, and let me know in the comments which Office app you plan to use Copilot with first. Thanks for watching.